legal fees. Hundreds or even thousands of dollars on top of your normal dues. You're renting your freedom. If you want a garden, have a garden. If you want to have a chicken coop, have a chicken coop. Good luck. Everyone talks about the monthly dues when it comes to HOAs, but what they don't talk about is all the hidden costs. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 hidden costs of living in an HOA in Arizona that most homeowners don't find out until they've already moved in. These are the fees, the penalties, and restrictions that could cost you thousands over time. And by the end of this, you'll understand why so many Arizona homeowners are ditching their HOAs and moving to no HOA neighborhoods instead. Let's kick it off with special assessments, the fee nobody sees coming. When your HOA doesn't have enough money in reserves to cover repairs or emergencies, they can legally charge you a special assessment, hundreds or even thousands of dollars on top of your normal dues. Roof damage in the clubhouse, you help pay. Pool remodel, you're paying for that too, even if you never use it. I've had clients blindsided with $2,000, $4,000 bills because the HOA didn't budget properly. And no, you can't say no. This one's sneaky. Resale value loss because of restrictions. If a buyer finds out your HOA doesn't allow RV parking, short-term rentals, solar panels, or even certain home businesses, you just lost them, period. I've seen buyers walk away mid-deal because the HOA rules didn't fit their lifestyle, and the seller ends up taking a lower offer from someone else just to close. HOAs don't just cost you money, they can cost you equity later. When you sell your home, the HOA doesn't just wave goodbye. Nope. You've got to pay them on the way out. That's called a real estate disclosure package fee. And in Arizona, it can be anywhere from $200 to $500 just for the paperwork. Add in transfer fees and capital improvement fees, and you could be out $1,000 at closing. And here's the kicker. They aren't negotiable. Let's talk fines. HOAs will charge you for leaving trash cans out too long, weeds in your gravel, parking a guest on the street, hanging lights too early in the season. Some HOAs stack late fees, and if you ignore them long enough, they'll send it to collections and tack on legal fees. Yep, legal fees. I've seen $75 fines turn into $600 collection letters. It's not just about the rules, it's the power they have to enforce them with no negotiation. And here's the most hidden cost of all. You lose the right to control your own property. If you want to change your landscaping, you need to get it approved by the HOA. If you want to repaint your exterior of your home, HOA color palette only. If you want to build a casita for your mom, good luck. You need to get that approved. And if they deny you, you require modification fees. You're either stuck or you have to fight it. It's your property, but in an HOA, you're renting your freedom. You're renting what you can do to your own property. So yes, HOAs might sell you on community standards, but what they don't tell you is that you're handing over control and cash for the privilege. This is why so many Arizona homeowners are selling their HOA homes and moving into a no HOA neighborhood. No surprise assessments, no permission slips, no fines for your garbage cans. And if you're ready to explore life without HOA strings, DM me and I'll send you my home guide and a list of current properties that don't come with HOAs. Your money should go towards your lifestyle, not their rules. If you want a garden, have a garden. If you want to have a chicken coop, have a chicken coop. If you're ready to sell in your HOA home and move into a property with more space, more freedom, and zero drama, call or DM me directly. I'll walk you through every step and make sure that we sell your home smart, smooth, and find your non-HOA dream home. Let's work together. Send me a message or give me a call. I've got your back from sale to sold.